letter is? Good job. Alrighty, boys and girls, we have prepared a little pirate skit for all of you this evening. Are we ready, boys and girls? Alright, pirates, I see the captain!
Sir, we can't
And
see.
he brought his
Thank you.
shopaholic
We can't see.
wife with him. And his bratty daughter. And his way cool son. And boys and girls, can you guys all tell me where Grandma is? And if Grandma's at bingo, where do we think Grandpa is? And pirates, I hear that the captain even brought his dog on board. Pirates, that's disgusting. Down and swap the deck. Up and hoist the sail. Swap the deck. Hoist the sails. Swap the deck. Ay, 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 ay. Pirates, I think I see the enemy over there. I think he fell overboard. And even into shark-infested waters. So pirates, I hear that you guys were partying hard last night. How are you feeling this morning? Do you guys believe them? No, I don't believe them either. How are you really feeling? Pirates, that's very gross. Alrighty, boys and girls, can you all say the letter R? Good job. Alright, boys and girls, let's give these pirates, or this audience, a big old pirate kiss goodnight. This pirate parade is brought to you by the letter R. Your cruise director, Mark. And most importantly, your Adventure Ocean Dream Team. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, give these little pirates one last round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Adventure Ocean manager Erin and her pirates. Thank you to our Adventure Ocean program who look after all the children, including our wonderful team program. Thank you, gang. Showtime 10 minutes away.